Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been curious about how to actually use AI to create income without needing to be super tech savvy or overwhelmed by complex systems, then this video is for you. I just checked out the AI Freedom Challenge by Coulson, and I've got to say, it's a refreshing, straightforward approach that's perfect for beginners. This isn't just another AI tool or course, it's a 3-day live training. And that's important because it's not pre-recorded content you'll never watch. It's live, interactive, and built like a step-by-step coaching session to help you actually do the thing, not just learn about it. You'll be walked through how to use AI-powered tools and systems to create automated income streams, even if you've never done anything like this before. Day 1 is all about the AI gold rush, spotting opportunities, and setting yourself up with the right tools. Day 2 gets into the actual building of your AI income machine, including how to 10-time your content, use AI for services, and even set up a personal AI avatar. Day 3 focuses on launching your freedom plan, creating a 90-day action strategy, and getting support for real implementation. The entire front-end offer is just $19, which is kind of wild for a live event. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 or just want to start something new using AI, this might be the jumpstart you've been looking for. If you want to learn more about AI Freedom Challenge, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.